See friends, today we are going to discuss the seating arrangement problems which are giving in the reasoning. See friends, first problem. 10 persons P to Y lives in 5 different floors. Each floor has 2 flats, flat A and flat B. Flat A exactly to the west of flat B. Only one person lives in each flat. S lives in topmost floor. There are two floors between S and P, and both of them lives in same flat. R lives to the east of P. There is one floor gap between R and Q, and both of them lives in different flats. T lives immediately above Q. W lives to the east of U, but not on topmost floor. Neither V or Y lives on floor 1 of flat A. V lives above Y. See friends, what he has given, there are 10 persons living in 5 different floors. There are 2 flats. Each flat have 5 floors and flat A is west of flat B. See friends, whenever we are going to solve this type of problems, we just assume two assumptions. See friends, first what he has given, there are 2 floors. Each floor has 5 flats. Flat A. See friends, total 5 floors. Each floor has 2 flats. What he has given, flat A is exactly to the west of flat B. See friends, we have to know this one. West, east, north, south. See friends, east, west, north, south. These directions we should know. We should always remember this one. Whenever this type of problem came with the directions, first we should note down this diagram. See what he has given, flat A exactly to the west of flat B. That means flat B should be here and flat A should be here. What is this? This is a flats, and each flat has 2 floors, total 5 flats, total 10 floors. Then you draw one more diagram, because definitely there may be 2 assumptions starting time. 1, 2, 3, 4. See friends, here flat A, flat B. See friends, total 10 floors are there. What he has given, 10 persons P to Y. That means P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Total 10 persons. First one, S lives in topmost floor. See friends, what he has given, S lives in topmost floor. That means S lives in topmost floor, but he didn't mention either A or B. That means you just this diagram one, here S, here S. See friends, this is the topmost floor, here also topmost floor, but flat he didn't mention. Either it is in flat A or flat B. So I have taken 2 assumptions. Next one, there are 2 floors between S and P. See friends, what he is telling, between S and P there are 2 floors. See friends, if you take diagram 1, there are 2 floors between S and P. That means 1, 2. Friends, 2 floors. That means P will come here. Here 1, 2. P will come here. Next one. R lives to the east of P. See friends, R lives to the east of P. That means R lives east of the P. Suppose if you take this diagram, east of P is this one. That means R should be lives here. See friends, here east of the P means it should be here. So here not possible. So this diagram is not correct. See friends, here there are two floors between S and P and both of them lives in the same flat. See friends, S and P both of the lives in the same flat. That means either flat A or flat B. Then I have taken like this. Then next what he has given, R lives to the east of P. R lives to the east of P. Here east of P is this side. So this is not the correct. Here east of the P is here. So flat B. Next one. There is one floor gap between R and Q. See friends, there is one floor gap between R and Q and both of them lives in different flats. See friends, there is one floor gap between R and Q and both of them lives in different flats. See friends, flat A, flat B. That means R and Q are living in different flats. It means R is in flat A, Q is in flat B. Either R is in flat B, Q is in flat A. That means those will come like this. Otherwise, like this. These two chances will come. See friends, there is one floor gap between R and Q and both of them lives in different flats. See friends, already we have placed an R here. R and Q are in different flats and one floor gap between R and Q. See friends, downside no chance. Definitely Q should not come in the flat B. That means Q should come here only because one floor gap should be there. So here we have left one floor and placed here in flat A. Next one. T lives see friends, next one. T lives immediately above Q. See friends, immediately above Q. See friends, T lives immediately above Q. Which place is empty here above Q? Only one floor is there. Already S occupied in one flat. Then definitely T should be here. See friends, T lives immediately above Q. Next one, W lives to the east of U but not on bottommost floor. See friend, W lives to the east of U. See friend, W lives to the east of U. W lives to the east of U. That means W like this. But not on bottommost floor. W should not be here, should not be in the bottommost floor. And east of U, W lives to the east of U. That means here U, W. See friends, W lives to the east of U but not on bottommost floor. W should not be here. Then either here or here. But he is telling that W is the east of U. So I placed W here, U here. Neither V or Y lives on floor 1 of flat A. See friends, V or Y not on floor 1 of flat A. See friends, floor 1 of flat A. Flat neither V or Y not living in flat A. That means both should be in flat B. See friends, V lives above Y. See friends, V lives above Y. That means V lives above Y because he said that neither V or Y lives on floor 1 of flat A. That means V or Y should not come in this flat A. That definitely V and Y should come in the flat B only. Then he also said that V lives above Y. V lives above Y. Then remaining what? S over Q over U over P over T over V over Y over W over. That means remaining X. See friend, nothing is there. Like this we have to solve the problem. Then after getting this one, it is very easy to get the answers. See friends, related questions to this problem. Who leaves flat number A of floor number 4? See friends, what he is asking, who leaves flat number A of floor number 4? See friends, this is the flat floor 1 2 3 4. Who is living? Q is living. See friends, who leaves flat number A of floor number 4? See friends, this is the flat A, number 4 floor, this is here, Q is living. The next problem, who among the following lives the same flat number? See friends, second problem, who among the following lives the same flat number? Option A, P U W, Q R Y, U Q V, V W R. None of these, none. What he has asked, who among the following lives the same flat number? See friends, same flat number, Q R Y, Q R Y, living in different flat numbers. P U W, P U W, so different flat numbers. U Q V, U Q V, different flat numbers. V W R, V W R, same flat number. So answer is this one, V W R, living in the same flat. Next one, who lives immediately above you? See friend, who lives immediately above? Who lives immediately above you? That means Q. Q living immediately above you. Next problem, what is the position of Q? See friends, what is the position of the Q with respect to you? See friends, what is the position of the Q with respect to you? Immediately above. See friends, immediately above. See friends, what he has asked, what is the position of Q with respect to the U? That means it is immediately above. So like this only he will ask the problems. Once you get this diagram, it is easy to solve the problems.